Hello and welcome. In this first introductory lesson, we want to briefly describe what industrial property is. Industrial property comprises patents, utility models, trademarks, industrial designs, and other objects like trade secrets, new vegetal varieties, or semiconductor topographies. Intellectual property has a wider meaning than industrial property, and it also comprises copyright. Let's see a brief definition of them. Patents are used to protect inventions, which can be a physical entity like a device or a product, or an immaterial entity like a procedure or a particular use of a product. Also, utility models are used to protect an invention, but they relate to some inventions in which a particular effectiveness or ease of use is achieved by a specific disposition of parts. So, for instance, a method cannot be protected using a utility model. In some legislations, like for instance the European Patent Convention, utility models do not exist and they are incorporated into patents. A trademark is a sign, normally a word, a name or a symbol, to be placed on a product to identify and distinguish its producer from others. Copyright grants the creator of an original work exclusive rights to its use and distribution. It is used, for instance, to protect a song, the text of a book, and also the list of instructions of a computer program. An industrial design protects the visible aspect of an object, like its shape, contours, and color. For example, it can be used to protect a new table or a new lamp having an individual character. It can also be used to protect a new font. However, it cannot be used to protect the shape of an engine piston, for instance, because the piston is not visible during its normal functioning, and also because its shape is normally determined by its technical function. For what concerns patents, in the following lessons we shall often refer to the European Patent Convention, or EPC, both because the basic concepts are similar to those of the national laws of the European countries, and because a patent granted on the base of the EPC can be validated in all the member states, thus becoming a plurality of national patents. Patents are territorial titles valid within the limits of a nation. If you want to file a patent application, you have three possibilities: a national way, a European way, and an international way. You may follow different grant procedures, but at the end you will have one or more patents, each one valid in a single state. In this short course, our attention will be focused mainly on patents, industrial designs, and trademarks.